Hi everyone, welcome to Mimo Origami, and today we're gonna learn how to make this super cool paper katana with its stand. Okay, you see this super cool katana. Okay, so to get started, you'll need one piece of black paper. It can be square paper or not. It's like you want. And you can make different colors too. I prefer black. And a few pieces of blank sheets of paper. Okay, so to get started, take one of the blank pieces of paper, take some glue, and put some glue on the side of the blank paper. Okay, as you can see here. There, I'll show you. Now take another sheet of blank paper and stick it on. Good. Do the same thing for another one. You'll also need some sticky tape, but you can replace it by glue if you absolutely need to. Though I prefer sticky tape. If you want me to make a few videos in French, feel free to ask me in the comments. So for French speakers, si vous voulez que je fasse quelques vidéos en français, vous pouvez juste me demander et je ferai. Okay, so now fold your 3 pieces of paper in 2. Okay, check that everything's well aligned. The part that we're doing now is the blade, so you can do it shorter if you want, with only 2 pieces of paper. I think I'm gonna start another channel called Star Mimo. So feel free to subscribe if you want. Okay, so now that you got your 3 blades, fold in half. Unfold them and fold one side onto the line you just made. Unfold this again a second time and fold on the line. Don't mind if there are small, it's not well folded. You don't really need to fold it well. Okay, so now unfold this part, but don't fold again. This time, take your glue and glue one of the sides. And then the other. Now that you have this, fold on the lines again. This time being careful to fold clearly on the lines. Now repeat this. Okay, now that you have folded this, cut what is remaining or fold it back on top. Here, either you can use glue, either you can use sticky tape, but it's better to cut it, I think. Okay, so take your scissors and start cutting, or stick it. I hope you like this super cool katana, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Okay, so you see I'm cutting it. It's a lot easier, but after you'll still need some sticky tape or glue or whatever things you want to use to stick it. The middle there, then you can continue cutting. Do not glue the middle of it because we're gonna need to put a tube in it. Okay, so now take your glue or your sticky tape, make a long stripe of tape, and do this a few times to make sure to stick all of your katana. Like I'm doing now. Put a few stripes on it so you're sure it holds well. As you see here, I'm having problems with the sheets of paper that are next to me, so make sure you don't put them next to you. Okay. Now finish to tape your side. Take one of the ends of your katana, like this, and cut it to make the point of the blade. And then cut if anything stays. Okay, now you can put your blade on the side, and you can start making a tube. So take other pieces of paper and stick them together. I don't have enough glue, so I'm gonna do it with tape, but you should do it with glue. It works better. I don't think you need to see it's just like normal taping. Now flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay, so now that we got this, start making a small tube in diagonal like this. If you made your short blade, do it with 2 pieces of paper like I'm doing. If you did a long blade, do it with 3 pieces of paper. Okay? Okay, so now I'm making another sheet of paper. And I tell you, stay here until the end because your katana is gonna be so cool. You can skip this part. This is just for the people who made a long blade like me. Now let's put the tape on the other side. And there we go. Okay, so now take one of the corners and start folding it in diagonal like a tube. Okay, now unfold it a bit and start again. Like this, you already had your start, and now you can make it nice and cool. If you made a long blade, unfold it twice because it'll be hard on the side. And now to arrive at the end, hold it, take piece of tape, and there. Now take your blade here, open it up and slide your tube inside. well. There should be approximately this sticking out. Cut the pointy bit at the end. Go. And here, at the end of your blade here, you can tape it so it holds well. Tape it here and tape it here. Don't mind if it's too big, you can just cut. There. Okay, now that you have your blade, take another white piece of paper or if you want you can take another color like red. I like taking red. And put it around here. Put the katana here and see, turn it like this so the red goes all around. Now take some tape and tape it. Now you can take a bigger piece of tape and tape the hole. Or if you prefer, you can use glue. Glue holds less well, but it's also more beautiful. Okay. So now take the black piece of paper, fold it in half, fold it in half again, still another time, and a last time. Then unfold all of this and cut on all the things you made. You can start by making only a few, like 3 or 4. One, two, 3. There, I'll start by 3. Okay, so now take the hilt of your katana you made here. Stick. This time you really need a stick or it'll be less beautiful. because you'll see the tape out like that, you know. Okay, so it starts by sticking here. And make it go around the hilt. Then continue with the other one. Until you arrive at the end. When you're at the end, cut. And you can stick it. Now, make it one other stripe. Approximately the same size as all the others. Get on the line. And there. Now you can repeat the same process with the two others. Except this time you make them go the other way. So it makes crosses. Continue with the second one. Make the cross. And there, you got your hilt. So now, take the black piece of paper again. This time fold it in two. Then fold it once again and okay, so from here it should be pretty solid. So you can fold it one last time, or if you do not want, you can't, but still fold it so it makes a cross, a visible cross. Then take a pen and mark the cross. Now put your katana on it like this on the cross and mark the two sides of it. Okay, so here approximately and here. Now that you have this, you can fold it in half and cut into a sort like into a triangle. And be sure to cut really to the end, like a triangle with the end that's very pointy. There. Now take a piece of tape and tape the two sides that are open. You can even tape the third side, but it's not necessary. And because it's asymmetric, I don't really like it, so I'm gonna tape the fourth side to make it look cooler. Now you can take your katana and slide the hilt on. Slide. Now that you have this, take some tape and tape the hilt like this, as shown. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Then flip the katana and do it again. And this makes your super cool katana. Okay, so I hope you liked this katana, and don't quit now, because now we're gonna make this super cool stand. So you can put your katana on the side, and let's get started. Okay, so first thing to do, take 3 pieces of paper and stack them together. Then fold them in half. Then take the middle and fold approximately 1.5 centimeters. Do the same for the other side. Okay. So now you can leave this, stack it well again, and make sure you put the right number. It should be 3 layers on each side. Now tape this so it doesn't go off. Like so. Down and roll it down. Now flip it and do the same thing for the other one. Now take another piece of paper and put it under, and then here it can fall approximately like this, and tape it to the base. There. Now cut in approximately in the middle, and careful to not cut too much. Then here at the bottom, cut once like that, and cut at the top too. Do the same thing for the other side. Good. Now what you cut, fold it back. Like this. Fold it down onto here. Same thing on the two sides. And there. Now you can take your super cool katana and put it on the stand. There. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to Mimo Origami, where we make lots of cool stuff like this katana, my other shurikens. Bye.